A 25-year-old woman with a sore throat was shocked to discover the culprit was actually a worm alive and wriggling in her tonsils. So let's jump into the video to see woman finds live worm wriggling in tonsils after suffering a sore throat. We publish good content videos every day. If you're not subscribed to the channel since, don't forget to tap the subscribe button below, otherwise I will hypnotize you. The woman in Tokyo, Japan had gone to hospital complaining of 5 days of an unpleasant sensation in the back of her throat. When doctors took a look, they realized it was a job for the tweezers. The medics found a 4 cm long roundworm alive and moving around in her left tonsil, where it was busy shedding its outer cuticle. According to a medical journal, the little critter likely set up home in the patient's tonsil via raw fish dishes she had been eating. The species plucked from her throat was a nematode roundworm, according to the case study in the American Medical Journal of Tropical Hygiene and Medicine. The journal said the patient had suffered about 5 days of irritation and pain on the left side of her throat after eating assorted sashimi, a traditional Japanese raw fish delicacy. The worm was a 4-stage larva with a black-colored body, 38 mm, nearly 4 cm long and 1 mm wide. It had been nestling in her left tonsil, still moving, and in the midst of molting its outer cuticle when doctors discovered it. In pictures, the transparent cuticle can be seen shedding from the worm's body. The journal said the woman's symptoms rapidly improved after medics removed the worm using tweezers. The roundworm in her case was described as a Pseudoterranova azaraci type. The worm can trigger nasty infection in patients' stomachs, usually after diners consume third-stage larvae in raw or undercooked marine fish. More than 700 cases have been reported in Japan, North Pacific countries, South America, and the Netherlands, the journal said. An infection with the worm is known to cause tingling throat syndrome and cough, it added. The case note warned doctors globally should be on alert for the worms. Consuming raw fish, including sushi and sashimi, has become more popular and the number of reported cases is on the rise worldwide. So, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please make sure to click the like button below this video and subscribe to the channel.